Behind every crispy, golden KFC chicken lies a fascinating journey of industrial food production. Ever wondered how millions of pieces of chicken are transformed from raw ingredients into those iconic flavor-packed meals? Join us as we pull back the curtain on KFC's massive food manufacturing process that brings that secret recipe to your plate in just minutes. Imagine being rejected more than 1,000 times, but still managing to build a global chicken empire. Just like Colonel Sanders. Harland Sanders, born on September 9, 1890 in Indiana, faced early hardships. In his 40s, while running a gas station in Kentucky, Sanders began serving meals to travelers, with fried chicken becoming his specialty. In 1935, Sanders opened his first restaurant, calling it Kentucky Fried Chicken, and earned the honorary title of Colonel from the Kentucky governor. Despite success, obstacles like a restaurant fire and traffic diversion from a new highway forced him to franchise his recipe. After many rejections, he secured his first partner in 1952. By 1964, at age 74, Sanders had grown KFC to over 600 franchises. Chicken, a cornerstone of KFC's menu, is sourced from multiple poultry suppliers worldwide. KFC is committed to serving high-quality chicken while maintaining strict safety and ethical standards. Their suppliers must follow guidelines that cover animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability. To ensure these standards are met, KFC conducts regular audits of its suppliers. These audits check that animals are treated humanely, food safety procedures are followed, and environmentally sustainable practices are in place. Many suppliers are also certified by organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, or GFSI, which enforces top-tier food safety standards. By working with responsible suppliers, KFC ensures their chicken is not just tasty, but also ethically and sustainably sourced, giving customers meals they can trust. Upon arrival, chickens are humanely stunned to ensure they are unconscious and unaware of pain. Then, they are quickly slaughtered. Feathers are removed using a hot water bath followed by a picker machine, which includes hundreds of little rubber fingers that rotate around to remove the feathers. The chicken's outer surface is washed with high-pressure water and food-safe solutions to remove feathers, dirt, and debris, while the internal cavity is flushed with clean water to eliminate blood and tissue. The feet are typically the first parts to be removed. Next, the vent cutter is used to remove the chicken's internal organs. It makes a precise cut around the vent and then uses suction or a grip to pull out the organs like the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs in one motion. Each chicken undergoes inspection by both plant workers and USDA inspectors to check for diseases or issues like bruising. Only a small percentage of birds are rejected. Chickens that meet the standards after undergoing rigorous quality inspections are moved in an automated process to be separated into different parts. The chickens are placed on an automated conveyor system where they are precisely positioned using hooks or clamps. This ensures that each chicken is in the correct position for the cutting machines to perform their operations efficiently. Key parts, such as breast meat, is processed with great precision by the machinery. The process begins by loading front halves onto specialized saddles that securely hold the bird. Specific cutting tools based on the programmed recipe automatically perform precise cuts to ensure consistent product quality. Once the birds are pre-cut, they move to manual harvesting stations, where fillets and tenders are handpicked for optimal quality and yield. After the meat is carefully separated from the bones, it is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology to identify any remaining fragments. Pieces flagged by the machine are sent for manual inspection, where workers remove any residual bones by hand. Boneless meat is directed to a smart processing line that intelligently releases products only when they align with the batch recipe requirements. Chicken pieces, primarily drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, are delivered fresh or frozen to KFC outlets. Then, the chicken is marinated in a proprietary blend of herbs and spices. This step infuses the chicken with the distinctive flavors that define KFC. The recipe for this seasoning mix is a closely guarded secret. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mixture, which includes flour and a unique blend of seasonings. This process ensures the chicken is evenly coated, creating its characteristic crispy texture. At the heart of KFC's signature fried chicken is a clever invention by Colonel Sanders, the pressure fryer. Unlike traditional frying, where the chicken is immersed in open oil, the pressure fryer seals the chicken in a special chamber filled with hot oil. As the fryer heats up, it builds pressure, which helps to lock in the moisture that would normally escape in regular frying. This results in chicken that's not only crispy on the outside, but incredibly tender and juicy on the inside, delivering that perfect bite everyone craves. The freshly fried golden brown chicken is served piping hot, either as standalone pieces or in meals accompanied by sides and drinks. Did you know Americans eat over 3 billion frozen pizzas a year? That's huge! Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at one of America's biggest frozen pizza factories, where they pump out 50,000 pizzas every hour. It's incredible! Did you know that pizza has a history that spans centuries and continents? Pizza's story begins not in the modern world, but in ancient Greece and Rome, where flatbreads and panis focaccia were the early ancestors of this global favorite. By the 1700s, pizza was a popular street food in Naples, providing cheap, simple meals for workers. In 1889, Rafael Esposito created Pizza Margherita to honor Queen Margherita, using ingredients that represented the Italian flag: tomato, mozzarella, and basil. This marked the birth of modern pizza. When Italians immigrated to the US in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, they brought pizza with them. After World War II, American soldiers returning from Italy fueled its popularity, leading to the rise of iconic pizza chains like Pizza Hut in 1958 and Domino's in 1960, which helped make pizza a cornerstone of American cuisine. What started as humble street food for the working class in Naples has now become a worldwide sensation. In large production facilities, powerful machines mix and knead hundreds of pounds of dough at once. After that, the big lump of dough is flattened into smooth, even sheets by large rolling machines. The dough is rolled into smooth sheets and passed through a spiked roller to create tiny holes, preventing air bubbles and keeping it flat. Then, precise machines cut the dough into perfect, round pizza bases, ready for the next step. This is another way to shape pizza bases. Precision pressing machines shape dough balls into uniformly round bases of consistent thickness. The dough balls are aligned on the platform, and the machine applies controlled pressure. Depending on the final product, the pizza bases are baked in the oven. After baking, the hot pizza bases are transferred to a large multi-tiered rotating tower where they are gradually cooled. Topping the pizzas is a precise process to ensure each one is made perfectly. Various sauce dispensers are used to apply the tomato sauce. The key is making sure the sauce is spread evenly over the whole pizza. Some machines use multiple nozzles for an even spray, while others rotate to cover the base in a consistent layer. Next comes the exciting part: toppings. Rotating machines gently place toppings like meats and vegetables onto the pizzas in carefully measured amounts. The lines are smartly designed so that any toppings that fall off are collected and reused, making sure nothing goes to waste. Shredded cheese is sprinkled over the pizzas using special dispensers. These advanced dispensers ensure that the cheese is spread evenly, giving each pizza that perfect cheesy look and taste that pizza lovers adore. The pizzas are placed into a colossal industrial tunnel oven. These ovens operate at temperatures of 450 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and can bake up to 400 pizzas every minute. After coming out of the oven, the pizzas are quickly cooled to preserve their freshness. They are then placed in specialized freezers where they undergo a flash freezing process, reaching temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. And here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our deliciously crafted pizzas are finally complete. The pizzas are then moved to the packaging area, where they are placed on cardboard discs for support. High-speed wrapping machines apply a multi-layered plastic film that seals the pizza airtight, preventing freezer burn and moisture. After wrapping, The pizzas pass quality control and are placed in pre-printed boxes, which are sealed and labeled with production dates, batch numbers, and expiration dates. The packaging speed of pizza production lines is impressively fast, typically ranging from 60 to 120 pizzas per minute. These facilities are truly a testament to how technology can scale up traditional processes while maintaining quality and taste, right?